This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 88 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue we're continuing the left leg. We've got this bit to do. I can't tell you exactly where it is, but we're going from there. Looking at Cemetery Wind, Robot Hunters. Transformers in the cinema. Chip declares that he is an ally, but Cemetery Wind and Lockdown finish him off. Cemetery Wind is. This is again the CG type thing in Human Factor. Optimus Prime and Humanity. Legend that is Optimus Prime. Blur. Ultra rapid robot. That quick that he's blurred. Don't know. Electro laser he has apparently. Okay. Beast Hunters. He's obviously merged together things. They make a giant robot when all of the others sort of combine. Cool. Wave, Dark Steel, and Sky Lynx. I'm not so fond of these. I never am. I don't like it when they become something that you can't tell what it is. That's better, but still not quite. No. I like the dragony one. Predator King. Quite cool looking, but yeah. So yes, we've got plates for the left thigh structure. So I was correct. It is the top half of the leg. We got to put a couple of bits together, put them onto the leg that we've been building up so far. And yeah, we're going to build up this part here. So let me clear this all out of the way and we'll see how it looks. Right, so we've got the leg that we've been assembling for a while now. We've got all the parts that have come today. We are putting bits onto here. Let's see. We've got that way round. Going to go in the top there. Only go one way round by the looks of it, that way. That will pop into there. Like that. Not quite lining up. No, I didn't get that lined up, so let's get that back out and try again. Get the angle right on that first pin. Not going to like it. Oh, that's better. That's that. Then that big bit goes underneath there. Got it that way round. Bigger pins to put into place on that. There and there. I don't remember doing this on the other leg, but it was a while ago, so I probably did. It's just I've forgotten. There we go. That is that. All together like so. That then goes onto here, onto that way round. We've got two posts there, there and there. Lines up on there like that. Cool. And then we've got this bit. That goes onto there. And that goes onto there. We've got three posts for that. Those three there. Lined up. That will go home. Like that. Nice. Gives us a little bit of a siding around the metal support. So there we go. That is that. I'm sure we're continuing this for the foreseeable future. So I shall see you for more of this next time when we continue the leg. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.